Hi, Christine here with two more journals in a nurse or medical theme. And I'm going to link to these from my Etsy shop, so I'm making two individual videos. So I'll start with this one. And it has an elastic tie. And these are some images that I purchased and I included them in the journal. And I've got this duct tape binding. I like that because it makes it nice and sturdy, so it's not going to rip at the corners. And I've got one thick signature in there. I stitched around the covers. There's a little spot here for a note. And I reinforced the sides of the journal with these little tabs so that it doesn't wear when you put the elastic around the edge. I included a little bookmark. This is just a little paper clip and a chain, and I've got a little nurse's cap, a bead, a microscope, and then I've also got some of the charms throughout the journal, attached tags and whatnot. So let's just go through the journal. So I've got a whole bunch of different types of papers in here, and some tea-dyed paper and some scrapbook paper. And like I said, I'll include a link to my Etsy shop if anybody's interested in purchasing this journal. Have a nice day. Happy scrapping. Bye.